Yeah. It's snowing. Look, it's been snowing a while. It's already on the ground now. Everything's white. Cool, huh? It's snowing. It's snowing. That's neat. I'll walk myself out. I locked myself out.
Where's Alyssa? She's still in bed?
I don't know. I guess so. Wow, this is cool. It's snowing. It's snowing. Did you make a snowman?
I gotta scrape some off the car.
You had to scrape it off the hoods of the car.
Yeah.
Or the truck.
It's cold.
I know. You want my gloves? Or your gloves? She's got one part of the snowman. Her hands are freezing. You want me to get your gloves?
Yeah, that's why you gotta have gloves.
This is all just gloves and socks. I'm not sure which ones are which. I think those are Bobby's. Those are mine.
You can't feel them anymore?
Look at her footprints. This is cool.
I can't tell if they're in the right place. I can't feel them.
You could be like Cassie, make car alarm go off.
Did she actually?
They're from Delaware. That one. That's probably a rental. Look at the trees.
Yeah.
That's so pretty.
First layer.
That's the first body part. Wow.
Oh, yours is coming off the ice.
There's this icy. Wow.
Yours is coming off in like ice.
Alyssa's first snowman. It's supposed to be a snowman.
It's a little funky, but this is my first time, so.
7:30 in the morning out here playing on the cars.
So far the GoPro hasn't froze up. I'll have to see. There's some big ones.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh,
Ooh.
it's getting me.
Whee! That's cool. It's coming forever up there. Oh, it's so cute. You want me to get you a carrot? You're gonna have to get on this car now. The next one. Oh, arms. Look at that.
Got it in the eye.
Yeah, look up and stick your tongue out.
It's cold. Really cold. I could use cigarette butt as a
Not mine.
face. Who's that?
You can use that for a nose.
Give him a cigarette butt nose.
There you go. Now you need 2 rocks for eyeballs.
Yeah.
2 little gray rocks. Wow.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Man, look at it come.
I know it. So cool.
The trucks get covered.
Yeah, the coolers are covered.
Then boy said, "Oh no, it ain't gonna snow." It's coming down.
It's harder than it looks. Excuse me. There he is. Frosty the Snowman has returned.
He looks so derpy.
He's so cute. You just gotta find some little pebbles and make him a little smile. I hope that car don't leave and run him over. Maybe you can make him a friend.
Yeah. I'm gonna go make some coffee.
All right. We're going to go get some coffee. We'll come back for part 2.